Hey y'all, it's Neely, and today I'm going to show you how to use a very popular feature in Canva, removing backgrounds from images. This can be a total game changer for all sorts of designs, from social media graphics to presentations to logos, whatever you need. So if you're just starting out in Canva, this one's for you. Now, first, I do want to warn you, this feature is only available with a paid subscription to Canva. So if you're not a paid user, you'll want to make sure to upgrade before trying to remove the backgrounds from images. However, this is not the only feature available for paid subscriptions. You can actually go to canva.com/pro, like you see here, to see all the other cool stuff you can do with a paid account. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me show you how to quickly remove backgrounds in Canva. Your first step is going to be selecting the image you want to remove the background from. So you're going to click Uploads on the left-hand navigation and select your image, or you can simply drag and drop it right into the editor. I'm going to use this AI-generated image that I created in Midjourney, and I just want to remove the yellow portion from the image. You want to make sure the image is selected, and you can tell that it is by this purple border around it. And then you're going to select Edit Photo. This is going to pull up the Magic Studio, and you'll see all the other features available with a paid subscription in Magic Studio. And next, you're simply going to select the background remover tool. And boom, Canva does the work for you by automatically removing the background from your image. Now, sometimes the background removal tool might not be perfect, especially with complex images with hair or fur, but don't worry, Canva's got your back and it's going to let you fine tune it. You are going to click the configuration cog inside the background remover tool, and you'll see the options to erase or restore parts of your image. You can increase or decrease the brush size for more precise editing, or show the original image to kind of see what you're working with as well. Now, I don't want to make any changes to my image because I think Canva did a great job, so I'm just going to exit out of this. But that's it. That's all you have to do. You can now use your image with a transparent background in your current project or in any of your other Canva designs by selecting the Share button and then selecting Download. You'll want to change the file type to PNG if it is not already populated, and then make sure you select Transparent Background. And then, of course, hit Download. Hopefully this tutorial leaves you feeling confident with background removal in Canva, but if you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more how-to videos in Canva and beyond. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Until next time, go try out all that cool stuff I taught you.